Hello, it's me, Ayahuasca from Marijuana Garden.
What if I told you the next great leap in fighting cancer wasn't a stronger chemo or a more precise laser, but a vaccine? Not to prevent a virus, but to treat cancer that's already there. And what if that vaccine didn't need to be custom-made for every patient, but could be an off-the-shelf treatment ready to go? It sounds like science fiction, but researchers at the University of Florida may have just unlocked a major key. This isn't just a theory. The results in animal trials are staggering, and it's heading for human trials right now. Let's break down the science behind the universal cancer vaccine. One of its best tricks is a protein called PD-L1. Think of it as an invisibility cloak. Cancer cells cover themselves in it, and when an immune T cell comes near, this cloak basically tells it, "Nothing to see here, move along." This turns the tumor into what scientists call an immunologically cold environment. The soldiers are there, but they have no orders to attack. This is where traditional immunotherapy often fails. The army is present, but it's been disarmed. Enter the team at the University of Florida. They asked a brilliant question. What if we could use the same mRNA technology from the COVID vaccines to rip off that invisibility cloak and sound a massive alarm bell inside the body? Here's the genius of it. Their vaccine uses two main components. First, mRNA, the genetic instructions. Second, lipid nanoparticles, or LNPs, which are tiny bubbles of fat that deliver the mRNA instructions safely into your cells. But unlike the COVID vaccine, which tells your cells to make a viral protein, this vaccine's mRNA is engineered to do something much more complex. It essentially reprograms your immune cells, turning them from passive bystanders into elite assassins. It teaches them to recognize a set of tumor signals and, crucially, to ignore that PD-L1 invisibility cloak. So what makes this a potential universal vaccine? Most next-gen cancer therapies, like CAR-T, are personalized. They take your cells out, re-engineer them, and then put them back in. It's honestly incredibly effective, but also incredibly expensive and slow. This vaccine is different, because it targets the mechanism of how cancer hides, rather than a specific mutation on a patient's tumor. It has the potential to be an off-the-shelf product. One design could potentially work for many different people and, many different types of cancer. This isn't a pipe dream anymore. The FDA has already given the green light for a first-in-human clinical trial. The first trial will focus on treating adults with glioblastoma, and a second trial is being planned for children with osteosarcoma. Now, we need to be realistic. Success in mice doesn't guarantee success in humans. The road from the lab to the clinic is long and, honestly, filled with challenges. But this is one of the most promising advancements in the war on cancer we've seen in decades. It represents a fundamental shift from poisoning the cancer to teaching the body to heal itself. We'll be watching these human trials very, very closely. What do you think? Could this mRNA technology be the revolution we've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in science and technology, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.